Alright guys, welcome back. So finally, after weeks and weeks of issues of getting the helmet back, if you guys check out the link, I'm going to drop it here for the original Rex print video. And I said I was going to send it to Chavez, which I'm going to drop his link as well. If not, it'll be in the description. I sent him my Rex helmet. Amazing painter, far better than me, so I was really excited to do some collaboration with him. He sent it to me a while back. It got sent back for whatever reason, customs. He sent it again and it got lost in limbo. So finally we got through to it. It sat at UPS at customs for about 2 weeks, but Rex is home. So without further ado, I am super excited. I've waited for this thing for almost a couple months to finally see it. So let's do an unboxing together and see just how amazing Chavez work is. It's like a kid at Christmas. Just so excited right now. Chavez packed this thing up himself, so something caught in my throat. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, and it comes with a note from my friend. So, Chavez, we got your letter, man. Thank you so much. It says, I hope you really like your new helmet. Certainly enjoyed making it. Rex is a hero of mine. Mine too, man. I left the antenna and stuff separate. Okay. So cut them to fit. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. So he says he was really excited to work on it, like myself. I just want to rip it open right now. But he's going to be doing my Beskar Armor 2 for my 501st approval. Let's dive in. Chavez, before I even look at it, thank you again. Super well taken care of. That's just the top. That's Chavez taking care of it. So highly recommend going to him if you want something done professionally. All right, even more well taken care of. And there is so much in here. It is absolutely insane. He put in so much protection, but here she is. Oh. More and more and more. Very well taken care of, but oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my God. I gotta see this. I cannot believe it. No way. No way. You gotta see this thing up close. Check this out. Look at that. You're kidding me. This is real time. Like, it's just obviously just opened. I cannot believe it. That's amazing. Dude, wow. I have all the stuff in here that he put in with it. I'm speechless. Holy cow. Chavez, I am even more excited for you to do my Beskar now. Wow. We gotta try it on. We have to try it on. The attachments are right here. So for the antenna, if you're wondering where it is, I'll attach those myself. But, all right, let's try this bad boy on. Oh my gosh. That's going right into the glass case. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go drool over this thing a little bit more. Once again, shout out to Chavez. His link is here. If you want something done professionally, he's the go-to guy. Awesome. Awesome. I didn't even expect it to be this good. That's crazy. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Till next video. Take care.